Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Welcome to a new day. It is Wednesday afternoon and we are at the RC Airfield. So as I stated in the previous video, the truck is fixed now, and so this is the only calm day of the next 7 to 10 day forecast. And I mean calm, I mean the winds, so it's perfect for flying. And but after today, for the next week or so, it's going to be high wind, so not so perfect for flying. But we've been here for a while, and I'm only doing the intro right now because it was crowded full of guys flying here, so a lot of talking. Somebody was cutting grass, so they've all went to the dirt track now to race trucks and stuff like that. So Glen's the only one left at the airfield here, and that's the way we like it. So he has it all to himself. But Gypsy and I are in this covered picnic area, and I'm gonna make some sandwiches. So I'll show you. We picked up some stuff for this from Pick and Save to have lunch, and I'll show you what we got. All right, so we got some rolls. We got another big pack of rolls. So obviously we're gonna take everything home. Got some salami and bread. We got some zesty kosher dill spears for Glen. Got some regular Lay's chips and some sour cream and onion. And then we got 2 packs of cookies. Glen likes these Archway iced molasses, and I like the vanilla Vortmans. Yeah, so we got that to snack on. And so yeah, I brought my bag with the camera. I've been taking some video of Glen's flying. I've got my little power pack here, charging my camera batteries. And this had fruit punch in it. You could see it was red, so I just poured that into my cup here. Glen's got a lemonade, and now I'm gonna make some sandwiches. And Gypsy says hi. Say hi, Gypsy. Oh, there went Papa. Papa's flying. Glen just went up with another airplane, and I'm gonna make sandwiches, so he'll have one when he comes back. All right. Alright, got some salami. Alright, these are zesty pickle spears. Glen likes to eat those. I'm not much for pickles, so I'll just take him one for now. If we were at the house, he'd probably have a couple right away, but he's busy flying and doing their RC airplane stuff. So I'm going to take this over there for him. Alrighty. I'm going to make my sandwich now, and I'm using bread. Get your nose out of there. It's a beautiful day out. Little more wind than we expected. Yeah, out there I noticed it was warm. But it is supposed to start getting warmer the next 3 or 4 days. Yeah. Alright everyone, so we are done eating lunch, and I'm going to go ahead, that's our trailer right there, I'm going to back it up to this spot right here. This is where we usually back up to, and that's the entrance where the guys who are flying come in, and Glen is over there. So I'm going to back the trailer up now that everybody has left the flying field. But over here is a dirt track, and you see all those cars. they're all driving trucks and stuff like that. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and back up the truck and put the food away. Alright, got the trailer where I want it. It makes it much easier for me to pack up the trailer with all the airplanes. We brought 6 airplanes today, and he's only flown 5 of them or 4 of them, but he's got 5 out there on the table. But when I have to load all the airplanes back up, makes it a shorter walking distance. So all right, so we've been putting some stuff up in the trailer. I'll show you in a minute here. The lights are not on because we have no power hooked up to it. That was my finger. I just turned the flash on, so I was seeing if it was on. Alright, so this is the ramp that goes to the truck so he can get in. I'm going to probably just go get that set up quick. His bed here. Some of the things we put up this past week to make it easier when we take the trailer out for the day, because all the stuff he usually has on the countertop, a lot of it I have to bring in the garage because he doesn't need it for the day, but then I got to bring it back in, and it's such a pain in the butt unpacking, and just a pain in the butt. So we put some baskets up. So this basket here we put up, and it's got all his stuff in there, anywhere from seasonings to hot sauce, water bottle, deodorant, lotion. You see all his knife collection hanging off the basket. It's got a flashlight there. So now all that stuff I don't have to just haul into the garage and haul back out when we get home. We also put this cargo net here. When he gets in the bed, if he wants to change or whatever, he can throw clothes in there or whatever he wants to throw in there. So we put that stuff up this week. We also put these hooks up, and we just hang his fan there, so we don't have to haul that out of here. So that's in there. So makes it much easier on me when I'm packing up the trailer. So yeah, I'll probably put the ramp up soon. That way it's all ready when we're gonna leave. And I don't know if I ever showed you, these are the bars that help him walk. I put these up at the same time, that time frame we were making his ramp. So I put these 2 bars up, so when he comes off the toilet or off the scooter that's sitting here, and he has to walk over here to the bed, he grabs onto the bars and it helps him out. We also put this basket up this week. Now keep in mind, we had all of these baskets for at least 4 years, maybe 5. We've had this trailer for about 5 years now, and we bought all these baskets for storage for like food and stuff. And then when we stopped going camping, we just took everything down. But now this week we put them back up, because when we bring food, like we brought lunch today, then we gotta carry a bunch of bags and stuff. So now I'm just going to put everything in here. So I'm gonna set you guys down. Oop, that was the ramp. Alright, so I'm gonna set you guys down here. Well, we got that basket, and we put up that basket. And we already had that basket, but a lot of times it becomes a catch-all. So alright, so I'm gonna just put some stuff away here. So like all the food I can put in here until we get home. Or I could keep them in the bags. If we were going camping, I'd load this up with our food we're taking. So like the chips can stay up here. I didn't bring a clip for this, so I'll just fold it over. Alright, so it doesn't take much to fill that up. And we just keep bags for garbage bags. And then we have our portable refrigerator. Our portable refrigerator that is being powered back by our Jackery right now. So I'm just going to put the salami in there, and then I'll just go grab the bread and the rolls and put them up there. So yeah, that's some stuff we put up here. Some baskets basically, so we don't have to take everything out of here all the time. Alright, I'm going to be back with the bread and the rolls. And I hold on to all the empty Pepsi bottles to mix our drinks. Not liquor drinks, but fruit punches and lemonades. The paper towel stays up front because Glen uses paper towel up front. Got the bread. I guess I'll just throw the bread on the bed for now. But yeah, that's pretty much things we added to the trailer this week. Putting the pickles in here. Alright everyone, so we are done here at the RC flying field, and I've already packed up all Glen's airplanes and his tools. So I'll show you how I pack stuff up in the trailer and the back of the truck when we go out for the day to the RC field. So I've got everything else in my bag, my camera, power pack, camera batteries, USB cords, everything. So I'm going to take all this to the truck, and I'll show you how I pack it up. Alright everyone, so his airplanes, I have 3 on the bed here and 3 in the back of the truck. So I've got 2 bigger ones. I've got this one, which takes up a ton of room here, and that we call it the baby wedgie. They're called wedgies, but this is a micro wedgie. And then his radio, some of the stuff he just has in the trailer itself. And under the counter, we just scoot his tray in there, and that's his RC airplane toolbox. This carries his airplane batteries. That's my bag, I just stack it there. The Jackery, the step is going to go here, and then I've got my chair here, and then the ramp will go here. The scooter gets driven in here, and yeah, that pretty much sums up the trailer. I'll show you where the other 3 airplanes are. Alright, so here's the back of the truck. This is a platform that I used to have a mattress on when we went camping. This is where I slept. But that mattress is now being used as a bed in the house, so when we go camping I have no idea what I'm going to use. So his one airplane back there, and we put towels in front of the tires, in front of the wheels, so they don't move forward. So we got this 1, 2, and then this one right here. So that's how he's able to bring 6 airplanes. Alright, so for those of you that are newer that don't know, I do all the driving. So yes, I do the driving of this trailer. I back it up. So when we get home, I back it up in the driveway. I hook it all up here, and everything that goes with getting us from point A to point B, I do. So I learned how to back it up by being put in the fire, I guess. I didn't really have practice time, and well, maybe I had a little bit of practice time, but I learned how to back it up, and I'm not perfect, but I get it in the driveway. Sometimes I can do it in one try, sometimes two, and sometimes three. So depends how good I am that day. But as long as I can back it up, it's a skill that I learned, and I'm happy for that. So, all right, I just usually take a walk over here because he had some airplanes down there. I just take a second look, make sure we got everything. We normally don't bring garbage out here, like wrappers and stuff, so but any garbage we create, we take with us. Well, they actually have garbage cans here, so we throw it away. This is his main working table, so I just kind of come to make sure everything is off. And there is the flying field out here. They stand here and fly their airplanes all over here. And when there's a lot of pilots for the day, like there was earlier today, they can sit here or in the bench area up here where Gypsy and I sit. But it's a pretty nice area. Right now, everything is packed up. Just gotta collect Gypsy. And Glen is actually over there by the dirt track watching them drive their trucks. And Glen actually started off doing all that kind of stuff. And then over here they used to drag race. So he's done it all. Alright everyone, so we are packed up. Gypsy and I are in the truck. Glen's over there talking to one of the other guys, so just let him talk. We were just over there, but Gypsy starts to get antsy after a while of staying in one place. So yeah, she's pooped. She's always wiped out when she has a day out. So she's actually laying down back there in the back seat. We're not gonna eat. We're not gonna eat our meal at home tonight. So I'm breaking that. I think I deserve a $5 pizza. Well, it's $5 for both of us. We're going to Jet's Pizza in Fond du Lac. And yeah, I just feel like having a Jet's pizza. It's been all summer since we've been there, and yeah, I'm just not going to be afraid to spend that $5. All right, so but you know, we'll be cooking a lot of meals at home, and every now and then everybody deserves a break. So I'm going to have me a Jet's pizza tonight. We actually don't even get a whole pizza. We just get 2 slices, and they're so good they fill you up. So yeah, that's all we're getting. So I'll just wait for Glen to finish shooting the shit over there, and then we'll take off. I'm all packed up. I just gotta, when he gets in the truck, I gotta put the ramp and the step in the trailer, and then we'll be set. So yeah, it was a nice day for him. He flew 5 out of the 6 airplanes. One of his little ones, that little micro airplane, the propeller broke in flight. So yeah, I don't know if anything else broke on any other airplanes. I don't think so. So I did take video, so you'll see that. And that's our day at the RC Airfield, so stay tuned. We'll catch up with you when we're in Fond du Lac. Alright, see ya. Alright everyone, so we are in Fond du Lac now, and we have our Jet's Pizza, and you could see, I don't know if that shows very much in the camera, but that is a good sized piece of pizza. So, and we each get one, so, and we're usually full after that. So, and this deal is 2 slices of pizza and a 20-ounce bottle of Pepsi for $6. So that's a pretty good deal. Both of us will eat supper and have a drink for less than $7. All right, so I'm going to enjoy this, and then we should catch a pretty good sunset, so stay tuned. All right, everyone, so we finished our pizza. Look how calm the water is, and the sunset happening across the water there. So Lake Winnebago is actually a really big lake. It could easily be one of the Great Lakes. It is huge. And there's a lighthouse there. I have taken many photos of the sunsets here, the lighthouse, when there was like wicked clouds in the sky. It's been a while. Feels like it's been a while since we were here. That's pretty cool right there. It's kind of hazy out, but it looks pretty nice. I'll just pan through so you can see. There's a marina here. And a gazebo. And there's our truck and trailer. And I'll just walk this way. It's okay. Well, the seagulls didn't want me coming up on them, so. We have sat many of times here to fish. Wow, look at that. Oh, that sunset's coming in more. We're gonna drive all the way around, go on the other side there, around the lighthouse there, and drive all the loop there. Well, that's pretty amazing. It's beautiful out right now. It's like 75 degrees out, and how calm the water is. You can see that seagull silhouette on the rocks right there. Alright everyone, so take a look at these trees, and I'm going to show you a photo of how they look in May. Yep.
I looked that plane up, that one when the last time we had it here, we talked about yeah, somebody was saying it was on sale.
No, yeah, I thought it was like a big one. Big one. And they got the big plane, there was discussion going on the group. And the big on the 3-side, put in a 4-side. I don't know what these guys want. You know? I mean, this goes plenty fast.
Yeah.
Yes, it is.
Yeah, I wonder what they want.
Any part of it. And one thing I remember, a few people complained about I think it's got a 6-inch subwoofer buried in the back. Putting in super powered one-two woofer with bass.
You got it with the weight stack battery? If you had that car 10 years, you don't think that battery would
Rifle battery.
Yep. Wow. Okay, whenever you're ready. Okay, whenever you're ready. Yep.